We had a walking sightseeing tour around Riga, which is the capital of Latvia. This is the Freedom Monument honoring soldiers killed during the Latvian War of Independence. It is considered an important symbol of the freedom, independence, and sovereignty of Latvia. Unveiled in 1935, it stands 42 meters tall and features a central statue of a woman, nicknamed Milda, holding 3 stars that represent Latvia's historical regions, Kurzeme, Vidzeme, and Latgale. The monument is a key site for public gatherings and national ceremonies, symbolizing Latvian independence, freedom, and unity. The Cat House is a building in the old town of Riga, is built in 1909. It is known for the 2 cat sculptures, with arched backs and raised tails, on its roof which believed to represent the grudge of the owner against the members of the House of the Great Guild nearby. One of the landmarks in Riga is sculpture of 4 animals, a donkey, a dog, a cat, and a rooster standing on each other. It is based on a fairy tale by the brothers Grimm and represents the town musicians of Bremen. I also met a new friend during the walking tour. We had a great time learning about Riga's history. The 3 brothers in Riga are the oldest residential buildings in Latvia, showcasing medieval architecture from the 15th to 17th centuries. Located in the Old Town, each house reflects a different historical style, symbolizing the city's architectural evolution and cultural heritage. They now host the Latvian Museum of Architecture. The House of the Black Heads is a striking architectural landmark in Riga, Latvia, originally built in the 14th century as a guild house for unmarried German merchants known as the Brotherhood of Black Heads. Located in the heart of the Old Town, the building features a richly decorated facade with Gothic and Renaissance elements. Severely damaged during World War II, it was meticulously reconstructed in the 1990s. Today, the House of the Blackheads serves as a museum and cultural venue, reflecting Riga's vibrant history, mercantile heritage, and the enduring legacy of the city's medieval trading community. The Latvian Rifleman Monument in Riga, Latvia, is a controversial monument erected in 1971 during the Soviet era to honor the Latvian riflemen. The Latvian Academy of Sciences, located in Riga, is a prominent scientific institution and iconic architectural landmark. Built in the 1950s in the Stalinist style, it promotes research, innovation, and international collaboration across various scientific fields. The building also features an observation deck offering panoramic views of the city. The National Library of Latvia, also known as the Castle of Light, is a striking modern architectural landmark in Riga. Designed by architect Gunnar Burkerts, it symbolizes knowledge and culture. The library houses vast collections, promotes education and research, and serves as a major cultural and intellectual center in Latvia. The Daugava River is a vital natural feature flowing through Riga, Latvia's capital. Originating in Russia, it travels through Belarus and Latvia before reaching the Gulf of Riga. In Riga, the river enhances the city's beauty, divides its districts, and supports commerce and transport. Numerous bridges span its waters, connecting neighborhoods and offering scenic views. Historically and culturally significant, the Daugava has inspired Latvian folklore and remains central to the city's identity and development. I also visited Adventika Indoor Kids Amusement Park inside one of the largest malls in Riga. Adventika is a vibrant family entertainment park located on the second floor of the Olympia Shopping Center in Riga, Latvia. Designed to cater to children of all ages, the park offers a diverse range of attractions. For toddlers aged 0 to 3, there's a dedicated area featuring soft play zones, mini slides, and sensory toys. Older children can enjoy activities like electric go-karts, trampolines, a giant inflatable playground, and an obstacle course inspired by American Ninja Warrior. The park also boasts interactive games, a rock-climbing wall, and themed birthday rooms for private celebrations. With its wide array of attractions, Adventika provides a safe and engaging environment for families to create lasting memories.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you on my next adventures.